It is also said that even the angels come down from heaven to join his party. So, on this most sacred day, the devoted seek honor their the dispeller of darkness. The most powerful day falls on the full moon of July and 5th of 2020. On this, I hope MIT children are audible. I hope everyone can hear me. Guru Purnima is a festival of reverence and dedication to the Guru. This festival is a salute and respect to the Guru. It is believed that by worshipping the Guru on this day, his disciple receive the full fruit of Guru's intention. Guru has an importance in our life. GU means darkness and RU means light. Guru lead us from the darkness of ignorance to the light of knowledge. Future life is created by Guru only. Guru Purnima is a festival which is dedicated to our Gurus. A Guru not only a teacher and give us the knowledge but also give us a right path to lead our life. He is a person who helps us to enlighten ourselves and guide us to lead a prosperous life. We also celebrate Teachers' Day and it also has the same importance. But it is most confined to a teacher who gives us the academic knowledge. But Guru makes us a complete and a true human being. Today, in the every field, there is a Guru. Spiritually, education, sports, literature, etc. A great man has said that if you want to achieve success, then firstly, you should find a good Guru. It is difficult to achieve success without education. So now today, as we all know, our school stands for Jagadguru International School. Jagadguru is also a term used for Guru. It comes from a Sanskrit word Jagat, means earth, the cosmos or a mankind. One of the most notable Jagadguru was Jagadguru Sant Tukaram Maharaj, who was bestowed for the title by Lord Richard. So on this occasion, we are going to do honors or we'll honor our Sant Tukaram Maharaj. So for this, let me invite our Vice Principal, Ashish Sharma, ma'am, to light the lamp. start your education and we start education. So we start because of your teacher.
Right
By
now,
you
there's
see a
a
lot of
kindergarten
doctors,
teacher perusing the
you can see a lot of doctors, engineers, but the base starts from because of the teacher. On base of this, we are going to show you a lovely video. Everyone sit, relax, and enjoy.
aisles of Target. Even though he still has 2 more weeks of summer break, he's already dreaming up ways to make his students feel welcome. His classroom will be a refuge. For a few kids, it may be the only place where they feel truly safe because of a teacher. There's a language arts teacher who will take a week and give up her lunch period, those blessed 26 minutes to scarf down a meal, in order to help a student learn how to read. And although the progress is slow, this boy will become a reader because of a teacher. There's a math Right now, there is a kindergarten teacher perusing the aisles of Target. Even though he still has 2 more weeks of summer break, he's already dreaming up ways to make his students feel welcome. His classroom will be a refuge. For a few kids, it may be the only place where they feel truly safe because of a teacher. There's a language arts teacher who will take a week and give up her lunch period, those blessed 26 minutes to scarf down a meal, in order to help a student learn how to read. And although the progress is slow, this boy will become a reader because of a teacher. There's a math teacher who will have a room full of kids who claim that they're just not good at math.
Okay, is the what audio video? Can you view that audio video? Just Park, just put a yes. Yes, but I couldn't hear the video. Stop trying everyone. Okay.
Right now, there is a kindergarten teacher perusing the aisles of Target. Even though he still has 2 more weeks of summer break, he's already dreaming up ways to make his students feel welcome. His classroom will be a refuge. For a few kids, it may be the only place where they feel truly safe because of a teacher. There's a language arts teacher who will take a week and give up her lunch period, those blessed 26 minutes to scarf down a meal, in order to help a student learn how to read. And although the progress is slow, this boy will become a reader because of a teacher. There's a math teacher who will have a room full of kids who claim that they're just not good at math. By the end of the year, his kids will be geeking out over ways to solve complex problems. They'll see that math can be creative and even fun, and they will become problem solvers because of a teacher. There's a science teacher who will inspire her students to chase after questions. And one afternoon, they'll be so excited about their experiments that they won't even notice the bell ring. And they will become scientists because of a teacher. There are history teachers who will inspire students to record history, and a group of PE teachers who will encourage kids to get more active. There are technology teachers who will help students send their work to the world, and fine art teachers who will get kids to find their creative voice. There are foreign language teachers who will help kids communicate globally. And there are CTE teachers preparing students for all kinds of jobs. And there's this teacher librarian who will see the students as children and not data. He's creating a makerspace while also inspiring kids to fall in love with reading. And they will become lifelong learners because of a teacher. And right now there's a fourth grade teacher with a scribbled up yellow legal pad. She's dreaming up wild new projects, and even though she jokes about not wanting to go back to school, she is secretly excited about meeting her new group of students. This is her 27th year, and she's still taking creative risks. To her, it's no big deal. It's what she does. But it's a big deal to her students. To them, she is a hero. And this year, she will make her students' world epic, like she always does. They will remember her forever, and she will change the world in ways that she cannot even fathom. And all of this will happen because of a teacher.
To our respected principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, and all my dear teachers and students. I would like to say thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to speak something on an auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima. My name is Dasharaga and I am from grade 7. Being one is the highest privilege, having one is the best of blessings. Being a student of Jalandhar International School, I feel blessed. When the word Guru itself in the name of my school. मेरे जैसे शून्य को शून्य का ज्ञान बताया और हम के साथ शून्य जोड़ने का महत्व बताया. My heartful wishes for Guru Purnima to everyone. Now I request my little Pratyusha from class 1 to present few words.
Thank you, Bhaiya. Good morning. My Purnima showcases high status Guru in the Indian religion and culture. Thank
Thank you for your lively thoughts. Now it's time for our next program. Here I would like to call Veera from class 2nd B to present dance. Wow, such a lovely performance, Veera. Thank you, Veera. Just wanted to let you know how much time, effort, hard work, and pain our teachers are putting at this time of Corona pandemic. It's showtime. Here, I would like to call upon upper primary class students to present the skit.
Today we will be doing chapter number 2, nutrition in plants. Before starting this chapter, let me know if you have completed the notes on chapter number 1. Ma'am, I am calling you from such a long time. You are not responding me. You are not audible and also not visible. But I can see my camera is on. No, we have break after this class. So kindly stop eating and concentrate in the class. Screen is blur. I cannot see your screen. Ma'am, I cannot see your screen. Your screen is blur. Your internet connectivity. I can use the internet. Why can't you use the internet? What is this?
Teacher at home after the school hours gets over, she's still busy with her classroom.
Oh, I have to upload the assignment. My students must be waiting for the classwork. Ma, please stay with me. You told me yesterday you will take me to the park. Oh, my child, come to me. Let me finish with my work, then I will play with you. Okay, Mom, I will play with my toy.
Again, she is busy with her school tasks and she does not want to connect with teachers that she learning opportunities. Well done, friends. It's not that these hardships my teachers are facing today. Now, students of grade 1 are before you to tell us what actually you do.
कक्षा की छात्रा हूँ। मैं आपके सामने वंदना प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ। तव पद कमले वय नमः, तव शुभ नाम सदा गयामः। नमस्कार। प्रस्तुत वंदना का अर्थ। आपके चरण कमलों में हम प्रणाम करते हैं, आपके कल्याणकारी नाम को हम सदा गाते हैं। आपके चरण कमलों में हम प्रणाम करते हैं, आपके कल्याणकारी नाम को हम सदा गाते हैं। धन्यवाद। प्रिय वाक् प्रदाने सर्वे तुष्यन्ति जगद्भावः। मधुर वाणी बोलने से सभी प्राणी प्रसन्न होते हैं। धन्यवाद। आज्ञा गुरु नाम है अविचार्य। गुरु के आदेश को हमें बिना सोचे मान लेना चाहिए। Thank you.
For such a mesmerizing performance. Thank you. Now I would like to call Swana to perform the next.
Myself, Swana Sundeshwar Sagar. I am from Jagatpur International School. It's great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion something success. I thank our principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am being present on this occasion. My sincere thanks to all teachers who made online teaching great success. Last but not the least, I thank you my friends for your cooperation in making this program wonderful. Finally, I leave you this inspiring quote by Martin Luther King. An individual has not started living until he rises above the confines of his individualistic concern to the broader concern of all humanity. Once again, I thank you all for your attention. Thank you.
Good morning, students. Wish you all a happy Guru Purnima. So today we are celebrating Guru Purnima, which is also known as Vyas Purnima. So you may be wondering what is Vyas Purnima. So Vyas is like Ved Vyas. Ved Vyas is one who has written 4 Vedas and many books. 4 Vedas, which includes all the rules, regulations, how we have to go about life. Yeah, and second thing is like in India, we respect our gurus, or you can say teachers. India is a country where they have, they are highly respected in India. If you see all over the world, India is only a place where gurus and teachers are highly respected. Now you may be wondering why gurus are respected so much. So guru, who is a guru? Guru is a person who guides you, who leads you to the path of glory. And then you can differentiate between a guru and a teacher. A teacher remains teacher until he or she teaches only to read and write. But when the teacher starts guiding you in such a way where you can attain your life goals, achieve your goals, then it becomes a guru. You can just see an example of many great personalities like Sachin Tendulkar, Bill Gates. So if you just read the interview, so they gave the credit to the teachers, that is the gurus. They had the inborn qualities. Okay, Sachin Tendulkar, he had his inborn qualities. But the one who polished him very well is his guru, the one who motivated him. So each one of us has a guru in our life. Even your mom, dad, grandpas, everyone has a guru in their life. And our first guru is our parents. Yes, your mom and dad. They are the ones who guide you, who teach you how to love, loving, caring, sharing. And in this pandemic scenario, you can see the most important guru for you is your mom and dad as of now, because they are the few. And we need to pay respect to our gurus, yes. So it's not only on this particular day we should thank them, okay, Happy Purnima ma'am, Guru Purnima, teachers or parents. But it is daily you should respect your gurus. And gurus can be in any form. They can be a parent, they can be a friend. Even in many situations, you turn up to become a guru. Then you may be wondering, how come I'm so small and I'm a guru? Many of you have your younger brother and sister at home. So the action, the way you live your life, the way you keep your clothes, the way you help your mom and dad. So your younger brother and sister, they copy you. So they're learning something from you. Yes? So you need to be a good guru. So if you are keeping your clothes, if you are keeping your room tidy, but obviously who is learning from you? Your younger siblings, they are learning from you. So at times you also become a guru. So guru is one who motivates you all the time. And we should always have a role model in front of us. Like if you ask your mom and dad, even what's your role model, then they'll just tell you maybe for few they had the teachers as the role model, for few grandparents, and few they had a goal. Yes, when I grow up, I want to become a doctor. And you help them to become a doctor. Yes, of course, it is their hard work, but with motivation of your gurus. And here I want to specify guru does not only mean teachers. Guru can be your parents, guru can be your teacher, the one who motivates you and leads you to a right path. So, wish you all a happy Guru Purnima and try to listen and follow all the instructions given by your parents in this pandemic situation, because they're instructing you every now and then to take care of yourself. So you can respect them by following them. Okay, students? Wish you all happy Guru Purnima once again and enjoy your day. Thank you, Atma, for a lovely message you have given today. Today I can show that listening to Atma ma'am, you have differentiated what is a Guru Purnima and what is a replacement. So many students might be thinking like what is Guru Purnima? They might be thinking like Guru Purnima and replacement. But I hope after listening to Atma ma'am, you know what is Guru Purnima and what is the replacement. It's completely two different things. Now, moving further, we are going to show. Now, before going further, I would also like to say a quick word. And this gift is children are dedicated. It is only dedicated to our lovely people and the Guru. We do agree that my love parents are sitting at home, they have their online classes, the students have the online classes, parents are having the online sessions, they are taking their work from home, since they are having a lot of trouble. So we do agree, we do respect your trouble taken at home, but I am to the students from a lovely students who are teachers, so I hope you all adjust and do this. Now let me show a lovely different video where we are going to show how many teachers, as it is a Guru Purnima and this is the piano again, as it is a Guru Purnima, it is showing how my teachers have been working, or they also say the first struggle in this. Now why I'm saying struggle, because we all, like those who are working from home, we are all the computer. We know how to handle that. But last year, when this situation came in front of my teachers, because we really expected. So this how to learn that. So everyone will sit back and just focus it.
Dear teachers, last spring you made the shift from face-to-face teaching to pandemic pedagogy. In a matter of days, you found innovative solutions to huge challenges. You designed virtual lessons with limited time and limited resources, and there was no roadmap or blueprint. Now, it wasn't perfect. There were some mistakes along the way, but you were there for your students every single day. You've proven that social distance doesn't have to mean relate. Now, it wasn't perfect. There were some mistakes along the way, but you were there for your students every single day. You've proven that social distance doesn't have to mean relational distance. Despite the roadblocks, you've built a classroom community on empathy and kindness, where students engage in meaningful collaboration. You've done check-ins and partnered with families. You've helped find resources for students who are struggling. You've experimented with new approaches, and you've taken creative risks. You've continued to learn. You're reading books, watching videos, listening to podcasts, and reading articles. And you're curating content and engaging in professional discussions. You're crafting meaningful lessons that empower students with voice and choice. Like that awesome scavenger hunt, or the maker project, or that blogging project, or the choice menu, or the game-based learning activity you did. Now, 2020 has been hard. We've seen wildfires and natural disasters and an economic downturn. Oh, and apparently murder hornets? Seriously, murder hornets. Meanwhile, teaching is especially challenging right now. It can feel draining when you have a barrage of emails to answer, or when you do a video conference and face a wall of black screens. Some of the social media comments about teachers have been downright toxic. But know this, you are impacting lives. Right now, there's a student who feels
Okay, so now I hope everyone can hear me. Show your thumbs up if you can hear me. Thumbs up. Okay, Priyanshu, very good. Kush. Okay, so I am audible. Okay, now we are having a small lovely surprise by our young ones have come down to school, and they are here to present a greeting card for their lovely teachers. So you can see how the young ones have come to school. Okay, so let's start. Who's coming first? Okay, so Kiran ma'am is here, and who's giving a greeting card? Okay, so from grade 2, Nikhil Sharma. Okay, Nikhil, give it to ma'am. Okay, so can we clap? Nikhil Sharma is given a card. Very good. Okay, so now Priya ko white card. Okay, he wants to give one more greeting card to his lovely Priya ma'am, so he's running for Priya ma'am. Okay, so Priya ma'am, please come and take it. Nikhil, come again dear. Yeah. So he wants to give one more greeting card to Priya ma'am. Okay, yes, Priya ma'am is there. Okay, very good. Thank you, Nikhil. Okay, smile, Nikhil, smile. Yes. Okay, so now who's coming? Now Khushbu ma'am is coming. Okay, he wants to give one more greeting card. Okay, so Nikhil Sharma has got a lot of greeting card to a lovely teacher. So he's going to give it again to Khushbu ma'am. Okay. Thank you, Nikhil. Smile, smile, yes. He's getting... Oh, God.
Rushali ma'am.
Ma'am,
Rushali ma'am. Now send Ananya.
Nikhil, sit dear. Nikhil, sit. Yeah, sit. Okay. Yes. Now Sunena ma'am, please come. Okay. Now again a child from grade 2. Ananya Gavani is there. Come on, Ananya, go. Smile. Very good. Clap. Thank you. Okay. Okay, she wants to give one more greeting card. Okay, Neha ma'am is here. Can we all clap? Very good. Thank you for a lovely surprise by the young ones who have come down to school. Thank you. Okay, now Abhishek. So please come. They are all coming for you. Yeah. Yes. So Pankaj sir is here and Abhishek is here. Come on, Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, smile, Abhishek. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, Brushali ma'am is coming.
Julie, ma'am.
Okay. Come on, Brushali ma'am. Yes. So who is going to give greeting card to Brushali ma'am?
Aryan Patil.
Okay, the new admission boy, Aryan Patil. Very good. Come on, Aryan Patil. Come on.
A good gesture by Aryan.
Come on. Very good. Clap, clap, children. Very good. Beautiful card. Very good. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Julie Rajoria.
Julie ma'am. Yes. Okay. So Ritu is going to give a card. Okay. Can we all clap? Children are just sitting. Come on. Clap. Very good. Come on, Yugandhara ma'am. Come.
Archana.
Okay, Archana ma'am. Come on, everyone. Please, Archana ma'am is coming, okay? Yes, Aryan Patil again. Yes, the beautiful card. Come on, Aryan, smile. Yes.
Nikhil wants to give it to Yugandhara, ma'am.
Okay, Yugandhara ma'am, please come. Okay, Ritu wants to give a greeting card again to Yugandhara ma'am. Clap, clap, children. Keep on clapping. Okay. I hope all my teachers have got the greeting card.
Give other teachers. Ask Nikhil to give it to Yugandhara.
He wants to give to his computer teacher, Nikhil.
And if Patwa is there, he wants to give it to his Hindi teacher, new.
Neha ma'am. Okay, Nikhil has got almost 6 to 7 cards and he's given to all his lovely teachers. So we should actually clap for Nikhil. Very good, Nikhil. So he wants to give it again to his computer teacher. Yes. Come, Nikhil. And come with a lovely smile. Yes, smile. Okay, and he wants to give it to his lovely Neha ma'am. Please, Hindi ma'am, come. So we should see his effort. He's sitting and made 6 cards. He's getting his card. Okay, come back, Nikhil. Where is his one more card? Okay. My God, Nikhil seems tired. Come on, Nikhil. Come on. Yes. Smile, smile. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Now let's ask Abhishek, you want to give this card to whom? No, it's your choice. Yes, you want to give this card to? It's okay. Pankaj sir, he gave it to who? Archana ma'am. Okay, come on, Archana ma'am. He wants to give it to you. Come on.
Sanskrit teacher.
Okay, now, okay, it's not a Hindi teacher, now it's a Sanskrit teacher. Okay, please. So it's a Sanskrit teacher. Okay. So can we all clap? Lovely. Now, Ritu, which subject you want? Huh? Pankaj sir. Oh my God, Pankaj sir. You have done some magic, I think so.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, come on again. Yes. Thank you. Can we all clap? Clap. Lovely.
This means a lot to teachers.
Okay, thank you, children. Can we all show the children who has come down? Can we put them in the camera? Can we all show who's the young one? They have come early morning, made 7 to 8 greeting cards. Can we all stand in front? Yeah, stand there, dear. Stand in front of the
Teachers
camera.
will stand behind
All
them.
teachers, can we all come in front?
Let students stand in front and teachers just stand behind.
Okay, my young ones stand in front. Let them see how are the young ones. These are my great.
Face this side, students.
These are my young ones who has come down to school, made 7 to 8 greeting cards. Can we all clap for them? Lovely. Clap, clap, come on. They have come down in a very short time. They have made 7 to 8 greeting cards for their lovely surprise for their teachers. So we should appreciate. I hope in the next Guru Purnima, I hope it's a physical. Oh, someone is showing me a greeting
Kusha.
card. Kusha. Okay, you should have come down to school. Right? You should have asked your parents, come on, I want to go to school. Okay, very good, Kusha. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay, so now as we have come to an end of this session of a lovely Guru Purnima, I hope we all have enjoyed. Can we all sit? Now I would ask Neha ma'am to end this session by a vote of thanks. Okay.
अच्छा फिर यहाँ से कैमरा ऑन कर दीजिए.
And camera ma'am. Yeah, 1 minute. Yes. There is the camera. Okay, now as Neha ma'am is going to give a vote of thanks, before that, we want to give our lovely teachers a rose from us to all my lovely teachers in honor for a happy Guru Purnima. Okay, so I want my lovely teachers to come in front, please. Yes, come on, my lovely teachers, please do come.
अच्छा ये वीडियो तो ऑफ है. इस वीडियो को सर वीडियो को वीडियो दिख रहा है? उसे म्यूट कर दो. ठीक है, यहाँ से जा रहा है ना, यहाँ से जा.
Happy Guru Purnima, yes. Yes. I know I'm very short. So Grade 5. Sixth standard. Acharama.
मैम
Okay, so everyone happy Guru Purnima. Okay, now please
मैम
आदरणीय प्रधानाध्यापिका जी, माननीय व्यवस्था संचालिका जी, माननीय अभिभावकगण, सभी शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, सर्वप्रथम मैं आप सबकी यहाँ उपस्थिति के लिए आपको धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ। आज के विशेष दिन पर आप सभी गुरुजनों को मेरी ओर से शुभकामनाएं। मैं हर छात्र की ओर से हमारे सभी गुरुजनों को हमारे सभी सम्मानित शिक्षकों को धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ, जो हमारे भविष्य को उज्जवल बनाने में बड़ी भूमिका निभाते हैं। जीने की कला सिखाते शिक्षक, ज्ञान की बातें बताते शिक्षक, कीमत किताबों के होने से कुछ नहीं होता अगर मेहनत से ना पढ़ाते शिक्षक। मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी उन सभी छात्र छात्राओं का जिन्होंने इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में अपना योगदान दिया है। छात्रों के लिए मैं स्वामी विवेकानंद जी की कुछ पंक्तियां आपके सामने रखना चाहती हूँ। संघर्ष जितना कठिन होगा, जीत उतनी ही शानदार होगी। साथ ही मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ हमारी प्रधानाध्यापिका जी का एवं व्यवस्था संचालिका जी का, जिन्होंने आज मुझे धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव रखने का अवसर प्रदान किया, एवं सभी अभिभावकों का जिनके सहयोग से हमारा कार्यक्रम सफल हो पाया। मैं आशा करती हूँ कि भविष्य में भी आप सभी अभिभावकों का सहयोग हमें प्राप्त होता रहे। हम सभी शिक्षकों की दिल से ये चाह है कि आप सभी बच्चे अपने घर में आज इस पावन पर्व को मनाएं और उनकी पिक्चर अपने अपने ग्रुप में सेंड करें। अंत में चंद पंक्तियों के साथ विदा लेना चाहूंगी। इस उत्साह के प्रयोजन का वाचन करते हैं, इस उत्सव के प्रयोजन का वाचन करते हैं, दिल से एक दूसरे का अभिवादन करते हैं, दिल से एक दूसरे का अभिवादन करते हैं। ऐसे ही बूंद बूंद बनकर खुशी का सागर बनते रहें, ऐसे ही बूंद बूंद बनकर खुशी का सागर बनते रहें। इस दुआ के साथ आज के इस कार्यक्रम का समापन करते हैं।
Okay, thank you children for being with us. Now see you all on Monday. Okay, you all can leave the session. Thank you once again. Bye bye.